Hey, so new update. I get it out real quick. As you can see, my little cooldown bar. Yeah, it's in the game. They finally added it. There's a new move for Star Platinum and a bunch of changes, but I just want to get this video out real quick because I know Road Roller will be pretty crisp. I don't know how good it is really. I haven't really tried it yet, but oh my gosh. Well, now you see it just now. What? Oh my gosh, my rage bar. Gosh dang. Well, that's kind of it. He has other changes, but like the idle animation's sick. Stuff with time stop. Now damage doesn't increase with the rage. It does, but not in time stop. The rage bar thing. So yeah, that's kind of it. I know this video is super duper short, but hey, it's Road Roller, baby. What? It's Road Roller.